Hi there and welcome to Zeitmaps. In this video we are learning to create our own project in Zeitmaps. Under project we select new, give the project name, OK. As a default setting we have an OpenStreetMap background. To this I would like to add a design of my project. In this case I will bring in a DXF which is automatically georeferenced. This saves me some time when I don't have to manually align it to the background. I select DXF from the Add menu. I choose the file that I want to import. Upload. You need to check that you give the right coordinate system. You can see that I've imported here a design to my background image. So if I hide the background, you'll see only the design here. Now let's add a few styles to the project. Cut and fill. I'm going to add a coloring to it, or to both. Let's select red for the cut and blue for the fill. Next, I'm creating the first working area for the project. Add polygon and draw in the area. Let's call this area 1. Okay, in area 1 we want to have a cut and fill operation. I'm going to add the cut tag to it. And for the fill operation, I'm going to add the fill tag. And now you can see that means it automatically colors based on the styles that we selected. I'll add these tasks into the area like that. Now once I've added the first area, it's easy to multiply. Just hold down the Control key and drag drop this one to a new location. And now you can see it's automatically also copying the actual tasks within that area. Next, I'm only gonna drag drop the right sequence of work. Like that. Maybe I also want to bring in a random image. Just copy paste. Maybe this is some specific work ongoing in this area. Perhaps I want to add a text box to describe the work. I can also add a text box to indicate the time shown in the map view. Now let's see how the map simulation looks from the play menu. Yeah. And finally, I can go to the user access to start sharing my project with others that need to see it or needs to work with it. And that's it. Good luck with your planning.